Hello guys, in today's part I'll show you how to open the pump connected to the induction motor from the power washer LAVOR Superwash 160. You will need an Allen key and you have to remove 4 screws. I have already started, so I'll just remove them with the hand and I'll show you what's the story with this power washer and whether it does make sense to fix it or not. So now I'll detach the pump, and as you can see, the springs of the pistons are completely damaged. Bearing that's supposed to be here and the oil that's supposed to be in the chamber is missing completely. So that's why the springs got damaged and the bearing got completely destroyed. Look like this. So if you would like to get it fixed, you have to order the springs. It looks like maybe the pistons could be alright, but you never know. So maybe the pistons as well. I'll detach the pump from this part as well. I'll show you. But before that, I'll have a look inside. It looks like these two parts are alright. And positive thing is that the engine is working, it's rotating, as you can see. So what you need, just a bearing, pour in oil, new springs or complete set of 3 pistons with springs. And now we will have a look how it looks if we detach this part. Okay, I got it. So here you can see there are 3 water seals. Whether they are alright or they are damaged, I don't know. And the inlet outlet valves. This brass packing seems to be alright. So the positive thing is that the pump is not cracked, so it is fixable. But whether it does make sense to repair it or not, it's hard to say, because the parts are costly, and if only the parts would cost up to €100, maybe it doesn't make sense to fix it, and it's better to sell it for parts, because these parts are pretty expensive. And if somebody has, for example, damaged, cracked pump, he will be glad to buy it for reasonable price. So you can see yourself that whenever you are buying the high pressure cleaner, you never know in what conditions they are, but still you can sell them for parts. For example, the micro switch is alright as well, the pump is alright, the induction motor is alright, the body of the power washer is alright, so probably I'll sell it for parts. So that's everything. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and good luck.